How you start something sets the pace, tone, and rhythm for how you sustain and finish something. This goes for your day as well. Have I mentioned how awesome Mondays are, especially Monday mornings? How you start your day very well dictates how the rest of your day will go. So, do you wake up in the morning and say, "Good morning, God," or "Good God, it's morning"? How you start your week will determine how the rest of your week will go. No question about it. So start it with a smile, intent, fierce devotion. Pay a compliment to the first person you see today. It's not always about you. If you've noticed anything by now with my messages, is that it doesn't pay to go with the flow of the Monday moaners. And friends, this is your Monday Minute in good health. Thank you for your generosity and reciprocated positive vibes to these weekly minutes. People are still asking me how they can find me and follow me, however, so I'm actually really easy to find. I'm active on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all under Feel Fitastic. Or you can visit my interactive website at feelfitastic.com. I look forward to connecting with you there. Have a Monday that matters!